Mayor, you're a no-fight local chief executive, and I think you are the youngest local chief executive in Eastern Visayas. What surprised you most about your being a mayor in the first, let's say, couple of months?
Actually, I had previously seen kasi the way that because my dad was the mayor previously here in Palompon. Growing up, I had seen what his work was, but it was only half of it.
Yes.
So nakikita ko na they would go to our house, they would go to his office, and just share problems, diba? In everydays, may mga problem din tayo, and then when they go to his office and nakikita ko na the mundane problems in life, they share it to my dad, and then my dad tries to solve these problems. So it wasn't unfamiliar to me, it wasn't new to me. But then mostly sa first few months ko, kasi hindi pa ako naka 1 year, ngayon pang June 30, sa first few months ko, there were a lot of processes that I did not know yet. Because coming from the background of...
May guidance ba? Mayor niya, ex-mayor, your father, lagi bang may guidance?
Meron naman, but then, kasi I was used to trying to solve things on my own. When I was growing up, hindi kasi kami lumaki dito sa Palompon. I studied in Cebu. So, more on, I tried to do things on my own. Although there were guidance, I constantly asked him on things na, paano to? How did you go about it before? Because I've always believed na we should learn from our history to make the present better, to make the future better. So, I asked guidance, but in all ways, I tried to read, constant reading ng local government code, ng kahit anong mga libro na...
So, more studies pa talaga?
Yeah. So, I tried to make myself learn what are the processes that would help me as I sit here, as I try to serve the people. So, although there were guidance, I had to... Kasi in me, I always try to do things on my own before, if hindi ko na talaga kaya, that's when I ask. So, yun, guidance.
You listen, we talk.